And for the next 5 yards, which comes up to the top of the boards right there, up to the top of this board here. Tomorrow's pour there would just fill all the blocks completely full down to the existing footers. There's 2 rows of rebar between every layer of block, going all the way through, all the way down. That'll be it. The people was here last night left because the cleaners are here cleaning now. I was here for 2 nights. Here for Saturday and Sunday. People who was here Friday was only here for Friday. They were the loud drunk ones. Campers left all their camping gear here and left, so the cleaners keep that. Call it quits for the night. Order the concrete in. We'll burn this tomorrow. It dries back out again. Let's go ahead and place the order for this concrete. Tip our points so we know which ones to strike off of tomorrow. And that'll be this one. That'll be this one. This one, this one, this one, and that's it. It won't go beyond that. Large pour will come up just above the blocks. Final pour will go to the top of the pins. It's going to cover a much bigger area though. Please?
I said, at least that cooled y'all.
Yeah. Wet t-shirt's always a great thing. That's been a classic forever. Doing okay today? Have a nice holiday? Did you work all the way through it?
It's 22 today.
22? Really? It seems like everybody's coming in for 1 or 2 days and going back out. This one was here for what, Wednesday and Thursday last week was one guy. Then Friday was one. Then Saturday and Sunday was this one here. Good day. The campers. Ones with all the chairs everywhere. Be safe. I need that one pin down, but it's just so hard. I mean, it's hard. That 1-inch metal is hard to bend. Alright, well, I'm tired of the rain. Let's go ahead and pour 5 yards tomorrow. We'll pump it into all the blocks. All the way down through there. Whatever's left over should start oozing back this way, but it won't get above these pins. I'll pour one big slab after I recheck everything on the next 5 yards, which come to the top of these boards. There, here. So halfway up this board, like to the bottom of this one, here's where that nail actually. I'll cover those rebar. That's the second pour. I'm almost too worried about doing a 10-yard pour on the mountainside with 4 times used form wood. People just don't do that, and I'm just trying to save every bit of money I can. You just don't use the frame wooding 5 times. This is the 4th and 5th time this wood's been reused. Alright. I'll tie this in tomorrow when it's not raining with our concrete nails. That's it. That is it. This is ready to pour. Actually, there is one thing I want to do before I forget. I'm just going to move this board over here because I want this board over here. It's more important so I don't have a blowout. I want this board anchored here if it's long enough. And it's not long enough. Well, let me get one that is because I want that walled. Actually, for this pour, it's fine, I guess. No, I want that anchored before I pour. I don't have any good wood left up here. I have no wood left. I need scrap or something. This one will work just fine. That wall cannot pull away from me. So we'll go right there, across here, and I won't let it go nowhere. Yep, I won't let it go nowhere. It won't really be in the way, I don't think, being it high. This one goes over here. Goes right there. Concrete nailed down. I'm good with that. So tomorrow's pour should cover these pins here, that pin there, and that pin over there maybe. Then I have another 10 inches on top of this after the first pour is done tomorrow. And as I'm pouring, I'll go ahead and grab these pins and pull these straight up so they tie all the 2 slabs together. Cut this one more piece of rebar down, 20-footer down, so I can drive these down through the slabs, make sure they're all tied together good. That'll be it. Alright, let's get out of here before we get lightning cued again. I hate getting shocked.